Hello, my name is Sullivan Abeg, and today we're going to be covering Arduino projects that I've been working on over the past couple weeks, right? So, to start out with, I want to be showing you guys some of my failures, right? Everyone fails, over time. So, I'll be showing you guys some of them and why I failed them, right? So, this right here was supposed to be a paper piano, right here, see? So, I'm going to enlarge this for you guys just for a second. Right, so what happened was this was just the beginning photo. So this had, here was the speaker, and these were resistors. These were all extremely high, 10 million ohms resistors. And then these wires would determine the pin that would go through electricity here. I was able to like pin it here, but it didn't even like look like much. It just, there would be this wires here, here, and here, 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 and here, here, and here. And the reason why they're at the end of the resistors is because we're resisting the amount that's going in there, so the paper doesn't just burst into flames. You guys know what I mean? And I'm pretty sure this one, yeah, this one's just a different angle, so it shows you guys how they're slightly like, this one's just a little bit ahead of that one, so I can place that one right next to there. And when I placed it onto the paper, sure, it was fine, but what the issue was in the code. Okay, right? So now I'm going to show you guys the code, right? So we're going to go to paper piano, and then we're going to say, check out this commit, and we're going to go here, we're going to go file, we're going to go open, and we're going to go paper piano, we're going to open, okay, right? So now let's bring this up, right? This is the link to my project right here, so I'll include this on my, no, actually I'll just show you guys right now, here, right? So this is the project, right? So this is what it looks like, right? I'll minimize this. So what happened was the only issue that I had with the code was right here, the include capacity sensor. So what happened was this page, which I'll open up right now, this was 2018. So by the time that this came out, I don't know why, but the capacity sensor.h did not work, and there's other people, I'll show you. There's other people that had the same issue as mine. Should be down here. Yep, here. This, I got the same thing that they did right here with the capacity sensor.h, no such file found. And they said this, but when you click on this, when you download it, it does not work for some reason. And I'm pretty sure if I go this right now, page not found, yeah. So it does not work. I did my best with that one, and I had this little setup going on right here, and all my code would have worked. I mean, all this, I set that up correctly. I know I did. I checked, and it's just the code that's the issue. Right? Okay. So now I'm gonna show you guys the one that actually did work. Right? So for the one that actually did work, I'll show you guys the video to start out. Right? So what's happening here is this is a randomizer. So it's randomized between, look at that was all of them. Boop, this time it's 4, right? And this time it's 4 again, and then this time it's all 5. This time it's 3. So what's happening there is it's randomizing, right? So I'll bring up my Arduino code right now. So it's randomizing it's actually randomizing how many lights will turn on and how many won't turn on, right? So, okay, with this one, Arduino, what? Okay. Oh, I know what happened. Okay, I gotta open this up. LED dice. Let's check out this command. Yep. And then from there, it will be random dice. Yep. Okay. So, I'm gonna close this one. So, and I'll get this video back and running hopefully in a second, so that we can just, dang it, the video ended. Okay, yeah, there we go. Okay, right, so, oh, oops, sorry. Okay, so pause this for a second. I'll bring this out real quick, and then I'll show you guys the code overlaid. Alright, so what's happening is, so each one of these pins is going into a digital pin over here. So um so this is like what it's matching up with. So it's sending power through them, right? And then down here, where is it? So this is the void loops. That's just saying if it's throwing the dice, as in it's randomizing it, because this is supposed to represent the dice, each one of these lights. So it's like you roll a 3, 3 will light up. You roll a 4, 4 will light up. And then it's just, it can keep doing that. And it's show number, and then that's a variable. So, and then, yeah. And so look at this. This is the void. And so if number 3, then up to 3, high. So yeah. So this one worked for me. At the beginning, I had a little bit of an issue with the button, and just like my button did not work, and I had to get a new button. And also, I had some issues. No, I did not have some issues, but something that you got to remember about the LEDs is that one side is longer than the other. So to make sure things don't not work, you have to make sure that the long side, which is the negative side, is placed properly, right? So yep. Oh yeah, and one more thing along with that is, so for right here, I'm gonna be showing you guys. So right here, this is where I insert my code. So let's full screen this real quick, and let's see what changes I made here. So this is where I first put in my code. And then here is I changed delay time. So what usually happens was 100, and it would take so long for it to change. So the light would slowly move across the screen. So here, I'll just play it. So this speed is a lot quicker than it normally is. Usually it'd be like duh, 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 and I didn't like that. So I made sure it went quicker, right? And besides that, there's not a ton that I could do to really change the code, because a lot of this is just it's just running a loop of just randomizing between 6. I mean, I could add an extra digital pin where I would add int 7 equals 8, and then I'd have to have int 7 equal 1 or something like that, and then from there I would just have to plug that in right there. Sorry, but I didn't really want to do that, because I mean, it's not really adding anything. It's just adding 7. That's not even on a dice, so I don't really see any point of that, right? And then, so yeah, that's basically my code. Have a good day. Thank you for watching my video.